How is it?
It's actually pretty good. Am I being recorded right now?
Mm-hmm.
Hi, YouTube!
Hey guys, so I'm sitting outside again because I just like the weather here, but we're going hiking today and then to the beach. I think we're going to Santa Monica Pier, but I don't know yet. I'll bring you along. But yeah, I forgot to bring a workout top, so I'm wearing just a regular tank top, sports bra, courtesy of Anna, and some running shorts, but that's about it. We just had breakfast and now we're packing our bags to go on our way. It's an hour drive, so we gotta get going. Guys, those are the steps. Let's go all the way up. We made it to the top. It's a rainbow.
A rainbow?
I don't know if you can see it, but that sign over there is the Hollywood sign. Ooh, you can kind of see it. Guys, we finished the hike and we got lost. We walked down the wrong trail, so now we're gonna go forward. And look, the city. It's a nice view. But I think now we're just gonna walk down and get some food and then go to the beach. So we were on our way to the cafe, but we saw this, so now we're taking a sidetrack. Someone lost their shoe.
Their shoe.
Let's just sell them on eBay.
Yeah, now we're just walking, exploring. Update you when we have something new. Okay, bye. Do you think I can do it? I don't know if I can do it. Almost, I almost made it.
I'm surprised I made it, I'm not gonna lie.
My shoe is slippery. Yeah, there's no grip. Why? It's only your pants. You can wash your pants. Okay, bye. All around me are familiar faces. So you made it. How did you even make it?
I don't know, actually. You want the truth? I did not expect to get up there. Oh! Victory screech!
Now you have to come down.
Yeah, the down part's not fun. See, it's not as easy when you're actually up there, are you? Jesus, that is actually scary.
You didn't even have to run.
You didn't even do the same one as us.
What the fuck is that?
You can literally just stand up and run back down.
Just like slowly, just.
It's already eaten. We're going on this. Yay! Down two.
It gives me a weird feeling.
Hey guys. My name's
Straight face, like right at it. Straight face.
I can't have everybody smiling. Hey guys, just walking in the sand. Just walking in the sand. Finished at the beach. It's a lifeguard house. Yes, excuse my hair, I'm so sorry. But there, Santa Monica Pier. And now we're gonna go change and then go home for dinner. Today was a good day.
I'm gonna actually start recording just in case. If you tell yourself you can't do this, then you won't be able to do it. But if you tell yourself you can do it and still can't do it, then you tried.
I can't.
Huh?
Here, I got it.
I think I can.
Oh! That's a no, I can't.
This just looks like you're stretching at this point. No, it's a balance beam, not a bed, Vivian.
I can't do it. I can't do it. How do you just get up? By me.
That's how you get up. That seems to be. I've never done this. Like I don't know what I'm doing. Like the technique.
I've never done it either.
I can do it. I can do it on both sides.
Go, go, go!
Hold on. That side. Ready. This side. And now this side.
You're not that far, you can fall.
Really?
What the? How did you even?
I don't know. How do people make this look so easy? That hurts your hands a lot.
No, I can't.
Did I just go from here or from there?
You grab off stuff and whatever else. No, I'm missing that completely.
Found a corn dog stand. Thanks, Mitch.
You're welcome.
We're leaving. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Come